Welcome to the TCS POS for NetSuite demonstration. As you can see, TCS POS for NetSuite is built on a NetSuite platform. All the data is held in NetSuite. All the processing happens in NetSuite real time. There is no syncing of data. You can see the stores and locations, registers. Now the username links to the employee file in NetSuite, which then links to the sales rep for sales rep reporting in NetSuite. We'll log into the POS. You can see here the screen is very easy to follow. You have customers, and you have items to the right here. We'll just do a quick POS cash sale to start off. I'll pick up the Crusher gamepad item. From there, I'll hit pay. Here, I'll just use the payment type, the credit card for American Express, and now process the sale. We'll now go across to NetSuite. And you can see this cash sale is in NetSuite. As I said, it's all happening real time. We do not sync data. If I just scroll down, you can see here, there's the item Crusher gamepad that we sold. There is the related payment. Now we can do a cash sale again, but this time we'll link it to an actual customer. You notice here the speed's been optimized for a retail environment. And you can see here Barry Thomas is the name with the mobile number and email address. Now this information is defined in a save search in NetSuite, which you can then modify and change yourself to display the data that you want to see here. From there, I'll now just sell another product. You notice here I can increase the quantity or decrease the quantity. I can override the price. I have the ability to do percentage discounts or discount amounts. And these fields here can be turned off. I can also see the stock on hand. Also stock available if I want to, by location. This is all happening real time. I'll hit pay. You know, see we've got the different payment types, whether it's cash, check, credit card, we do cash out, gift card, using the NetSuite best practices, or gift card. And then from there, even rewards, points and money we can handle. These payments, of course, can be split across these different payment types. In this case, I'll just do this by card and I'll hit pay. Notice here, I could have done the sale on account. I can do lay-by or layaways. I could have emailed the sale, even add a ship-to address, or of course, I can print it out through the POS docket printer using the NetSuite Advanced PDF Engine layout. I'll just go back into NetSuite to see that sale. There it is for Barry Thomas. So it's still a cash sale, but it's been linked to Barry Thomas in this instance. Amount due is 0. There's a product sold. And there's the related payment against that particular transaction. Okay, if I want to, I can of course bring up that customer again. I can modify that customer on the fly, reads details. I can add customers on the fly if I want to. I can save sales and load a sale back up again. This is what we call pending sales. So you can free the register up for other sales and then reload the sale later to process on. I can add notes to the sale. I can do click and collect on sales orders, whether they're processed in the POS or they've been processed in NetSuite or coming through some other web store, etc. You can see that right here, I can search on items as well. And of course I can barcode and scan the item in if I need to. You can do images on the items. I can search by category on the item. Maybe I want to see products on sale or accessories. I can do that. I can, of course, do returns with or without an invoice number. I can take additional layaway or lay-by payments. I can run reports like the X report, which looks at the sales for the day. This report, of course, could also be backdated. I can also see this report by item, and I can reprint the sale. I can also do this report by customer if I want to. I can also see gift certificate information. It also has a close till functionality. So at the end of each day, I can close my till and balance it up through the cash, credit card, etc. I can print this at the time. Of course, all this data is also held in the NetSuite system. So this just gives you an overview of how TCS POS for NetSuite works. We are also comfortable to modify it based on requests, and we're happy to quote you for those. For further information, contact us at truecloudsolutions.com.au. We hope you've enjoyed the presentation. We look forward to showing you in more detail at an appropriate time. Thank you.